Hey there. Experiencing issues with your Soundcore Anker Liberty Air 2 earbuds? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix Soundcore Anker Liberty Air 2 earbuds, ensuring you can enjoy your music without any interruptions. Step 1. Reset your earbuds. One of the simplest solutions is to perform a reset. This step can resolve various problems, including connectivity issues or unresponsive earbuds. Here's how you do it. Remove both earbuds from the charging case and make sure they are powered on. Press and hold the button on the back of each earbud for about 5 seconds. The LED indicators will flash red once to signify they are powered off. Return the earbuds to the charging case and leave them there for at least 10 seconds. Take the earbuds out of the case. They will automatically turn back on and enter pairing mode. This should establish a fresh connection with your audio device, resolving many common issues. Step 2. Clean the earbuds and charging case. Dirt and debris can affect sound quality and charging capabilities. To ensure your Soundcore Anker Liberty Air 2 earbuds are performing at their best, regular cleaning is essential. Use a soft, dry cloth or a cotton swab to gently clean the earbud tips and the speaker grill. Avoid using liquids that might damage the sensitive component. Check the charging port and connectors inside the case for dust or lint. Using a dry toothbrush or an air duster can help remove stubborn debris. If the case itself is dirty, wipe it down with a slightly damp cloth and dry it thoroughly before placing the earbuds back inside. Step 3. Update the firmware. Sometimes your earbuds may have issues that can be solved with a firmware update. To update your earbuds, download the Soundcore app on your smartphone, available on both iOS and Android. Pair your Soundcore Anker Liberty Air 2 earbuds with your phone and open the app. Navigate to the device settings and select Firmware Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Updates can fix bugs, improve battery life, and enhance overall performance, so keeping your firmware up to date is beneficial. Step 4. Troubleshoot connectivity issues. If your earbuds are not connecting properly to your device, these steps might help. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and that it is within range, typically 10 meters or 33 feet. If the devices have previously been paired but have issues reconnecting, forget the Liberty Air 2 in your Bluetooth settings and repair it. Avoid interference from other electronic devices that might cause dropout or poor connection quality. If your issues persist, try pairing the earbuds with another device to determine whether the issue lies with your original device. Figuring out how to fix Soundcore Anker Liberty Air 2 earbuds isn't as challenging as it seems. By resetting your earbuds, keeping them clean, updating the firmware, and tackling connectivity issues, you can restore your earbuds to peak functionality. With these practical solutions, you can continue to enjoy great sound quality and an immersive audio experience. Remember, regular maintenance and updates can significantly prolong the life of your earbuds, making your investment last longer and work better. Happy listening.